Welcome to a new way of burning fat, where you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. This is about the power of 30-minute home workouts. These workouts are effective, efficient, and can be fitted into even the busiest of schedules. Imagine this: you're waking up, brewing your morning coffee, and in the time it takes for the pot to fill, you've already completed a full-body workout. Sounds incredible, right? These workouts are not just about saving time, they're about delivering results. They combine high-intensity cardio, strength training, and core exercises to target your entire body. Every minute counts, making your workout extremely efficient. This combination ensures that you're not just burning calories, but also building lean muscle and improving your overall strength. This way, you're working towards a stronger, fitter, and healthier version of yourself. So, are you ready to get your sweat on and torch some serious calories? Let's dive into this fat-burning workout. Before we jump into the workout, it's crucial to warm up your body. Kick off the session with dynamic movements to prepare your muscles for the action ahead. Arm circles, for instance, are fantastic for loosening up those shoulder joints. Leg swings, on the other hand, are perfect for increasing mobility in your hips. And let's not forget torso twists, which will engage your core and get your spine moving. Transitioning smoothly, let's escalate to the cardio blast segment. Here we will kick the intensity up a notch with exercises designed to elevate your heart rate. Jumping jacks are a classic that work your whole body. High knees will keep the momentum going while focusing on your lower body. Butt kicks are great for firing up those hamstrings and burpees. Well, they're the king of cardio exercises, working multiple muscle groups and burning calories efficiently. Now that your heart is pumping, it's time to add some strength training into the mix. Strength training is a key component of any fat-burning routine. Let's dive into it. The strength training circuit involves squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Squats and lunges are fantastic for targeting the large muscle groups in your legs, boosting your metabolism in the process. Push-ups, on the other hand, are an all-round upper body exercise, working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. And planks, a deceptively simple exercise, target your entire core and improve your balance and posture. Now let's shift our focus to the core crusher. This segment includes crunches, Russian twists, bicycle crunches, and plank variations. Crunches and bicycle crunches are great for sculpting your abs, while Russian twists and plank variations work not only your abs but also your obliques, enhancing your overall core stability and strength. Remember, the goal here is not about speed, but rather about maintaining good form and control. Don't rush off just yet. We've got one more important step: the cool down. Now, let's bring your heart rate down and give your muscles some much-needed stretching. Cooling down after an intense workout helps your body transition from a heightened state of exertion back to normal. It's an integral part of workout recovery, reducing the risk of muscle stiffness and soreness. Start with a gentle walk or slow jog in place, allowing your heart rate to gradually decrease. Then, let's move on to stretching. Focus on your major muscle groups, the ones you've been working hard today: your core, legs, and upper body. For your legs, try a standing quad stretch or a seated hamstring stretch. For your core, a cobra stretch can do wonders, and don't forget your upper body. Arm across the chest and tricep stretches are perfect here. These stretches will improve your flexibility, reduce muscle tension, and enhance your body's recovery process. And there you have it, a 30-minute home workout that can help you burn fat and get fit. Give it a try and share your experiences in the comments section. Remember, consistency is key. Keep moving and the results will follow.